The latest generation of intelligent, upgraded solar automatic watering timers are created based on users' needs, adhering to the new design concept of the brand. The use of dual-pump independent management mode can not only set the designated watering time and watering volume in different periods, but also choose timed watering and circulating water watering. It supports dual-pump configuration, which can meet the watering time and water demand of different plants, whether it is corresponding amount of water for large pots and small pots, or water frequency, all can be flexibly set. This smart upgraded timer typically gets a full season of use, and it supports solar charging, which has a built-in large-capacity lithium battery for long battery life. The latest generation of smart upgraded solar automatic watering timer is cost-effective, convenient, and brilliant reliable. There is no easy solution for watering home green plants.